2017 Cadillac Escalade. Overview: read the specs for the gargantuan 2017 Cadillac Escalade ESV, and you may confuse it with the 1966 Cadillac Eldorado. Both measure a smidge over 224 inches long, both feature body-on-frame construction, and both feed lots of fuel to a push-rod V8 engine. Compared to the Aldo's 340 horsepower, see gross rating, 7.0-liter iron block pump. However, the Escalade's aluminum block 6.2-liter V8 makes an additional 80 horsepower and boasts now ubiquitous engine technologies such as direct injection, cylinder deactivation, and variable valve timing. Still, like that 66 Caddy, the Escalade makes a big statement, whether we're talking about the standard length version or the 20.4-inch longer Escalade ESV, which rides on a wheelbase stretched an additional 14.0 inches. The ESV provides an expansive 39 cubic feet of space behind its third row, while the stubbier Escalade offers a mere 15 cubes behind its rearmost row, far fewer than what you'll find beneath the trunk lid of the Chevrolet Impala. The ESV's long wheelbase also allows passengers in its standard third row to sit more comfortably, as there's 34.5 inches of rear legroom, 9.7 more than those unfortunates stuffed into the shorter Escalade's rearmost seats will get. Both the Escalade and the $3,000 pricier ESV are available in 4 trims: base, luxury, premium luxury, and platinum. Rear-wheel drive is standard throughout the lineup. All-wheel drive models cost an extra $3,000. For this review, we drove an Escalade Premium Luxury with a base price of $84,090. Thanks to a handful of options such as a $595 coat of dark Adriatic blue metallic paint, $1,750 for power retractable running boards, $2,000 in Kona brown leather seats, $2,695 for the dealer-installed Radiant package, special 22-inch wheels, chrome exhaust tip, and a more garish grille, and $3,000 for all-wheel drive. The as-tested price swelled to $94,130. What's new? The Escalade and ESV see a smattering of changes for 2017. Superficially, Cadillac renamed some trim levels. Last year's Luxury Collection and Premium Collection are this year's Luxury and Premium Luxury. Of more substance is the addition of Cadillac's rear-view-mirror camera system on the Luxury, Premium Luxury, and Platinum trims. With the flip of a switch, the reflective rear-view mirror displays a video feed from a camera mounted at the rear of the SUV, virtually eliminating blind spots caused by pillars, headrests, and the like. Other new items include an automatic parking system that can steer the Escalade into a parallel or perpendicular parking space, the addition of automated emergency braking to the luxury trim's list of standard features, and a new 22-inch wheel design. What we like: despite weighing well over 2.5 tons, the Escalade doesn't struggle to build speed. We've yet to strap our test equipment to the ESV, but the regular Escalade Platinum ran from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, 0.4 seconds quicker than the Infiniti QX80, 0.7 seconds quicker than the Lincoln Navigator, and 1.4 seconds ahead of the Lexus LX 570. The Escalade and Escalade ESV are able haulers, capable of towing up to 8,300 pounds, 8,100 for the ESV, be it a boat, a camper, or a track-prep Acura Integra. Finally, there's no denying the Escalade's immense visual presence, a quality we'd imagine sits high on the wish list of buyers in this vehicle segment. What we don't like: while the Escalade is equipped with Cadillac's Magnetar helical dampers, which should improve ride quality, we've found that the Escalade still suffers from a rather harsh ride, especially when wearing the 22-inch wheels and tires that come standard on Luxury, Premium Luxury, and Platinum models. Additionally, Cadillac's Q touchscreen infotainment system continues to be a thorn in the Escalade side. Although it is somewhat improved over earlier versions, we still prefer the second infotainment setups found in the Escalade siblings from Chevrolet and GMC, which use knobs and physical buttons rather than fuse capacitive proximity sensing switches. Finally, the cabin's overabundance of General Motors parts bin switchgear is disappointing in a vehicle of this price.